Hey Gingerbread and Jelly, welcome back. The name is Plunkett. So I'm making this video right now because Erica made a video about this YouTubers giving up at an early stage. I just want to share my story on that. I started YouTube 10 months ago. So I started YouTube 2015, July the 13th, 2015 to be exact. And when I just started YouTube, my aim and my this is still my aim was to share stuff with people. Same like how I had my friends where I share stuff with them, give them advice, motivate them. That is my aim on YouTube, to change people's life, to contribute to people's life in a positive way. So that is my aim on YouTube. Now, doing YouTube, I started with a BlackBerry phone. It's a Z30. It has an 8 megapixel camera at the back and 2 at the front. When I started with that, it was terrible. It never, it was shaky. My videos, my vlogs were shaky because I started out as a vlogger. I still do vlogs. The quality was so poor. I finally got a camera, saved up, and I bought a camera. Thanks be to God. I know that I have a camera. I'm putting out better quality. I was always worried about the quality as well as the content and putting out good videos. Now, starting out YouTube, I never understand fully how YouTube work. I thought you put videos on it and people go there and just like your videos and subscribe. YouTube is totally different. YouTube is like a job. YouTube is a job where you have to dedicate yourself. You have to put in the hard work to pretty much reap the benefits of YouTube. It's like YouTube is basically an investment. You have to invest your time and energy into your videos and into your subscribers so they can enjoy you and enjoy your content and keep coming back. So I've learned over the past 10 months that YouTube is very challenging. And at first, like the first 3 months when I wasn't getting much views or subscribers, I felt really sad and I said, alright, I'm going to pause, get better equipment and then start again. I never thought about giving up. I said, alright, then I'm going to pause. Then I got motivated by other YouTubers, and they say don't stop, just keep putting out more content, until you keep improving. So when you look back, you can actually see where you're coming from and see where you're at now, and it's really beautiful when I actually look back at the videos that I made. All right, take two. And do it over again. This is about the third video now. I try to do this. Yeah, so I'm pretty much going to start vlogging, pretty much video vlogs about myself, my lifestyle, things I do, on a daily basis, random stuff, anything at all. Just make videos about myself. I'll be speaking about different topics. It's general stuff, and it's just awesome where you are now. Awesome for me. So what I want to share with you guys is that you can't just give up because your channel is going. So just as Erica said, you cannot give up. It takes a lot of hard work to actually get where you are. And trust me, I only have 168 subscribers. I'm like nothing on YouTube, but I'm still grateful to all my gingerbread and jelly bean that actually tune in to watch me each and every week, each and every day I post. So I really appreciate all my jelly bean and gingerbread for sticking around and enjoying my content and just enjoying me as a person. So to you, the YouTubers that just started the game, if you don't have a vision, then you won't last on YouTube. Sorry, if you don't have an aim, then you can't just jump in and expect to reach somewhere and not put in the hard work. You have to put in the hard work to pretty much reap the benefit. So kind of change your frame of mind and how you look at YouTube and learn how YouTube works, because it's a huge platform where you have to put out really hard work to reap the benefits of YouTube. It doesn't work like how it seems you post a video and get 1 million views. It doesn't work like that. You have to build your foundation. You have to set a really good foundation. People want to see your content. Keep putting out videos and people will migrate to your channel. So that's my advice. So stick to it, motivate yourself, keep putting out videos, keep putting out better content, speak with confidence as I'm doing right now, looking at you guys. So just enjoy, And you know, that's all I have to say. JVLOGS people, remember I post videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Remember to subscribe and share to the channel if you want more. Subscribe and share. Show me that when you watch the video and you like the video. Leave a comment down below. It is free. Free. I won't charge you. You won't. I'm just joking. Later, we're gone, people.